Lindsay and today we are making pretty much the best way to drink anything ever again with my ice cream cone shots. Are these cute little mini adorable shot glasses not the cutest party treat you've ever seen? Everyone always goes totally nuts over these. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. Today we're filling these babies with an ice cream flavored vodka shot, but you can pretty much fill them with anything you like for any kind of party. You can do them with milk for a kid's party. You can do them with milkshake for a really sweet treat. Anything you like. They're so much fun. And once you're done with your drink, you have a delicious chocolate coated ice cream cone with sprinkles to enjoy. So first, just slice that wide top off of the ice cream cones using a sharp serrated knife. And it's okay if they're a little jagged and not perfect because we're gonna dip them in white chocolate and that'll totally cover up any of the uneven edges. Then you're just gonna spoon in some white candy melts. You can also use white chocolate, but the candy melts just set a lot firmer, so they're perfect for this. And just make sure you spread it in a thin layer all around the sides and the bottom of the cone. Then just go ahead and dip the top of the cone into the chocolate to cover up any jagged edges and to coat the rim. Just make sure you get that white chocolate into every little nook and cranny. You want to make sure it's fully coated so once it dries, it acts as a little barrier from the liquid you pour in. Otherwise, it's going to soak into the cone and make it soggy and it'll fall apart. So go ahead and coat it really well and roll the edge of the cone in some rainbow sprinkles. Now we're just going to pop these in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes while we prepare our shot mixture just so the chocolate can harden and firm up. So we're just going to take a cup of melted ice cream. I chose strawberry because it's pink, but you can do any flavor. And go ahead and melt that into a liquid. Then we get the good stuff, some whipped cream flavored vodka. Just go ahead and take about 2 to 3 shots of this depending on how strong you want and go ahead and mix it in with your melted ice cream. And if you want to make this non-alcoholic, replace the vodka with a little bit of milk and only melt your ice cream partially so it's still a little bit thick so you get a great milkshake consistency. And pour your drink right into your little cone cups. Top it with a little whipped cream and of course a cherry. And then go ahead, cheers and enjoy. Oh my gosh, how much fun did these turn out? And if you're not making these right away, just go ahead and store the white chocolate covered cones in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days. Then when you're ready to serve, just go ahead and pour your drink right into your little cone cups. All right, the best part, now we get to enjoy it. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media or share this video with a friend who would totally fall in love with these cute little ice cream cone shots. Cheers. Oh my god, it's so good. It's sweet and creamy and delicious. And the best part, that crunchy cone with the chocolate and white sprinkles just totally puts this over the edge. You gotta make this for your next party. I'm not even kidding you. This is so good. And if you guys love this recipe, you are going to love my confetti cupcake martini or my cupcake vodka gummy bears. So be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my ice cream cone shot glasses or milkshake cups. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you guys next time. For real, so I just got so much whipped cream in my hair. But the aftermath, how stinking cute. I mean, an edible cone. Shot glass. Let's have all our drinks this way, okay? Thanks.